Imagine a world where financial reporting is seamless, accurate, and fast. In the finance and banking sector, the demand for timely, compliant, and precise reports is higher than ever. Traditional methods often lead to errors and inefficiencies. Enter AI-driven automated financial reporting, a transformative approach that streamlines the entire process. This end-to-end workflow begins with data ingestion. Secure connections gather both structured and semi-structured data from various sources like ERP systems and market feeds. By creating a centralized repository, organizations ensure that all data is complete and consistent, laying a strong foundation for automation. Next, we move to data cleansing and preprocessing. Advanced AI techniques flag anomalies, and missing values are filled using predictive models. The goal is to enforce high data integrity before moving to transformation. During the intelligent data transformation phase, raw data gets mapped to standardized formats. Business rules align the data with regulatory requirements, which is crucial for maintaining compliance in an ever-changing regulatory landscape. AI-powered analytics come into play next. Predictions and insights are derived from the cleansed data, generating key performance indicators and alerts for anomalies. This allows finance teams to make informed decisions swiftly. Now, the automated narrative generation takes over. This process turns complex analytics into clear, concise commentary, ensuring that the reports are not just numbers, but also tell a story that stakeholders can understand. Through dynamic report assembly, all report elements, narratives, analytical visuals, and compliance annotations are brought together into cohesive documents. Text is validated against regulatory standards, ensuring that nothing is missed. Compliance and risk management controls check for adherence to internal policies and external regulations. This stage captures every action in an immutable audit log, enhancing accountability and transparency. The collaborative review stage is where human expertise meets automation. Reviewers can annotate drafts, track changes, and resolve queries in a structured environment. This prevents mistakes and ensures the report quality before sign-off. Once approved, the secure distribution of final reports takes place. Reports are delivered through encrypted channels, ensuring only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Each delivery is logged, contributing to an exhaustive audit trail. Finally, continuous monitoring and iterative improvement maintain the workflow's health. Performance is assessed and feedback is used to refine models and processes, ensuring the system evolves and improves over time. This comprehensive approach to financial reporting not only enhances accuracy and efficiency, but also promotes a culture of agility and compliance. By leveraging AI across all stages, from data ingestion to reporting, finance teams can focus on delivering insights and driving strategic decisions with confidence. In conclusion, adopting an AI-driven automated financial reporting workflow isn't just an operational change. It's a strategic shift that positions organizations for success in a dynamic financial landscape. Are you ready to transform your reporting process?